I was just taking a walk behind my house, just a little bit in the woods, and I've set up a bird feeder in the back, and I walked by and I saw that there's a lot of activity on the bird feeder, so I'm going to head over there with the 600. Also have the 70-200 in my bag, and we will see if we can capture some birds. But the sun is setting, it's getting dark. I have to be quick, but let's see what we can get. So I just got here. I've put up a little base camp here. Right behind me is my garage, and I can see that there's already a lot of activity on the feeder. Maybe we can catch some birds. There's some cool ones on the rooftop as well, and the sun is... let me show you. The bird feeder is right here. The sun is coming from here, and also on this tree stump I have put some food, so let's see if we can catch something. The lower the sun got down, the activity got less and less, so there are no birds here anymore. I was hoping I would get some to sit on the tree stump, because of the backlit from the sun would be really cool. But I think I'm gonna leave it for now, come back tomorrow when it's a little bit earlier, because the light is getting really dark to take good pictures with the 600. I'm thinking about putting on the 70-200 and going for a walk in the forest, but I'm not sure. I think I just stay here for a while now and see if I can capture anything. Okay, so it just got too dark for the shots with the 600, so I swapped to the 70-200, and I'm going to take a little walk in the forest, but I'm coming back with the 600 tomorrow to see if there is more activity, because the afternoon there was more, now it's getting too dark. I think birds are also tired, so I'll see you if I see something. Well, sadly there was no more bird luck, so I'm walking home now. I'm coming back tomorrow or on the next sunny day, and then I'm going out a little bit earlier, and yeah, we see each other tomorrow or the next day I'm filming the bird video again. It's a different day right now. I came to the feeder again with some new food. I picked some up from the store, and so first of all I'm going to refill the feeders to make sure that the birds are having enough food, but they're eating it very fast, so I think the location is really good for the feeder. The only problem I have right now is that there is a farmer driving with his tractor near my bird feeder, and so I don't think the birds will sit here right now, so I'm just going to refill them right now, and after the refill I'm sitting down and waiting and see if I can capture something. But I see some birds flying, so maybe we have a chance. So first of all I picked up a new feeder, which I'm going to hang right beside on the next tree or something. Still have some food left from the last time, which I'm going to fill up, some chopped nuts, and this time I also picked up these balls you're gonna hang on the tree to get more of these blue tits, and I also have some sunflower seeds right here, which I'm going to mix up with this food because they really like this one. So the package is already pretty empty, but I'm going to mix up it up with the sunflower seeds, so maybe we can get kind of the same results, but let's see. Always like to spread some seeds around the feeder as well on the ground, just so if there are birds nearby, they also sit on the ground and pick up the food, because having the bird feeder in the screen always is not making a good picture. So I'm mostly hoping that they're sitting on the wood, which the camera is placed right now, or on the tree itself. But let's see. Okay, so now one feeder here, a lot of these balls here, second feeder here, more balls. This is the plan which we have right now. So I'm going to place myself back there, and then we wait if some birds appear. 600 is equipped on the A4, and now we just have to wait for something to come. The activity on the feeder is not the best right now, because I think they need a little time to get to know where the food is, but I think I still managed to get some cool shots. If you like more of these kind of vloggy videos where I'm taking you out with me, going to photograph, make sure to leave a like on the video, and if you like my channel and like me, you can subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.